Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gideon Oluseyi. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified anytime I post new video. Thank you. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create a blurred glass effect. Without any further ado, let's get started. I open my Photoshop. I hit Ctrl N on my keyboard to create a new document, and I make this 1080 by 1080. And I leave the resolution at 200. I leave the other settings the way they are, then I create the document. So having created my workspace, I go straight away to my file and I drag in my image. So I expand the image till it fills up the workspace. Then I hit enter to release the transform tool. Now I'm going to let's name this background BG. So I'm going to duplicate this layer by hitting Ctrl J on my keyboard. Now having duplicated the layer, the next thing I'm going to do is to go straight away to filter, blur and Gaussian blur to blur the copied background. I make sure I blur it until it almost fades out. I think this works for me. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to draw a rectangle or whatever shape you would like to use. But for this tutorial, I'll be sticking with rectangle. Mind you, it doesn't matter the color of your shape, be it white, you can change this to any other color of your choice, it doesn't matter. So I'll leave it at white. So the next thing I'm going to do is to clip this blurred background into this rectangle, and to do so I make sure the layer of my blurred background is on top. So I drag it to the top just like this, and then I right click, so create clipping mask. Having clipped the blur background into the shape, right click and then go to blending option. Inner glow. Make sure your color is set to white. Same thing for inner glow. Make sure your color is set to white. Color overlay. And then the last one, drop shadow. Then you hit Okay, so we have our blurred glass effect already. However, if you don't want it blurred like this, you can come to this slide and then play with all these effects. Play with them until you are satisfied with your choice.